The project unfolds as a comprehensive transformation of an aging apartment, targeting key spaces like the kitchen, laundry, children's room, and playroom. The primary objective, voiced by the owner, was a modernization initiative, with a specific focus on the kitchen. To address the need for an expansive kitchen, the design integrated the small existing kitchen and pantry, extending into the living room to craft a substantial kitchen space. The children's room and playroom were strategically planned to serve the dual purpose of sleeping and studying, aligning with the close bond between the 10- and 7-year-old brothers. Guided by a country house aesthetic, the kitchen and laundry featured porcelain floors resembling rustic stone and diverse wall cladding for a bucolic ambience. Meticulously crafted joinery, housing built-in appliances, contributed to a seamless and continuous design. The central kitchen bench emerged as a central gathering point for family activities during meal preparations. Innovations in the laundry room included a farm-link-style sink and electric clotheslines for enhanced convenience. Maintaining a theme from a prior design, the boys' bedroom incorporated a universe motif, complete with a rocket shelf and a trellis for additional mattresses. Elements from a previous toy library/study were seamlessly integrated into the playroom, enriched by a football-themed futon and a dedicated gaming area to cater to the boys' interests. The color palette for the kitchen and laundry prioritized warmth through wood, a light and hygienic tone with white, and added depth and color with green accents. The decorating style, particularly in the kitchen and laundry, can be defined as contemporary colonial, characterized by simplicity in forms. The design responded to the client's request for large bench areas, ensuring functionality. Notable details, such as a spacious farm sink model bowl, contributed to a well-organized and spacious environment throughout the transformed spaces.